Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm so excited. We got the July Slay Glam box and I cannot wait to dig in and try everything. So really quick before we get started, if you're not familiar with Slay Glam, it is a monthly makeup subscription box. It's $24 a month. You get 5 to 7 full-size items. You're guaranteed a palette in every box. And if you use code Michelle Martin, that's going to save you 10% off your first subscription order. So, of course, we're going to start with the star of the show, which is my palette in collaboration with Rasha B Cosmetics Beach Please palette. You got to hurry up and sign up because she is almost sold out. The formula is so good on it. In case you didn't get to see my other video, I will have it linked below. I use the pink and the purple in that look. I'm not sure what colors I'm going to use today. I want to see what the eyeliners look like. That's why I'm wearing black, just because I was like, I don't know what color we're going to go with, so we'll see. You know how I like to match everything up. Next up in the box, we got this Drippin' in Diamonds lip gloss, and I love, love, love the packaging. This is so pretty. I mean, I'm going to get me a little container. I don't have a clear container that I want to use, but I'm going to get me one probably today when I go out, just so I can set this in there. And then I thought we also have a eyeliner, and I thought, how cute. Who doesn't want to see some diamonds sitting up on their makeup stand? Because I do. I love it. And I cannot wait to see this. This look, ooh, so pretty in the picture, but OMG in person. That is gorgeous. Next up, we got a 4-piece eye brush set, and I love getting brushes in my makeup subscription box. It's one of my favorite items to get. I have a ton of brushes. I really don't need any more, so I personally don't try to buy them, but when they come in a subscription box, girl, you best believe I'm going to be using them because I don't know, I love trying new brushes. These are from Manna Kadar. I really like Manna Kadar brushes. We've gotten a couple sets from them and I use them all the time. Next up, we got a set of 3 eyeliners. We got a purple, a green, and a blue, and I'm so excited to see these. So, ooh, that's the purple. Ooh, that blue is gorgeous. That's like electric blue there. I bet you this green is gonna be stunning. Wow, that is really bright. That is so pretty. I'm probably going to use the purple one today just to go with the lip liner. I had seen over on Instagram that Rasha used this as a lip liner with her lip gloss. So we're going to do that today too. I'm just going to see what it looks like, but super cute. And then, of course, last but not least is going to be the loose pigment. Now, this is a multi-chrome loose pigment. You have to be very careful when you're opening these up because they will spill on you. Oh, wow. That's really pretty. Now, a little bit goes a long way. The container is not completely full, which I appreciate because when these things are chock full, they make an absolute mess. But honestly, a little bit goes a long way. You're going to be able to just use what's on the top. Oh my God, that is very smooth. You can use this in a clear lip gloss. You can use this on your fingernails, which I am going to be doing a nail tutorial with this to show you how to use it on your fingernails. But so pretty. And I did not dip into the container. I just used what was on the top. I mean, gorgeous. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to start off with my lips, and I'm going to try to line my lips. It's working really well as a lip liner. I'm just going to try to fade this in a little bit. So I just faded the liner in a little bit. Now I'm going to go put that gloss on it. That is stunning. Oh my God. I just keep putting more and more on. Not only is the packaging good, but so is the product. I love it. Phenomenal job on this. Now let's go ahead and jump into the eyeshadow palette. So I'm going to definitely use the brushes today, and I'm going to start off with this fluffy brush, and I'm going to go into tan lines first, and I'm going to apply that in my transition area. Oh, these brushes are nice. I mean, do you just see how smooth that looks? The matte formula in here is amazing. Just blends like a dream. So now I'm going to take the same brush and I'm going to dip into Daiquiri, that beautiful berry shade. And I'm going to start working that in the transition area. Wow, this is pigmented. I mean, that was one dip. Beautiful. And these just blend into one another so beautifully. Again, I'm going to take it and just put it in the crease. Just blending it together with that tan line shade. Wow, that's got some pigment to it. Switching brushes, I'm going right back into that Daiquiri shade. And I'm just going to start pressing that on the outer corner of the lid. And I'm just going to tap it into place. And then, of course, just buff it out into the crease. Again, same thing for this side. I'm just going to tap it in place, building that color up. Again, another thing that I love about Rasha's formula is how you can build them up or shear them out. If you just sit there and tap them in place, they just build up so nicely for you. And then when you buff it, it distributes and it's not hard to get your harsh lines out and they just blend so nicely. Now I'm just going to go back with the fluffy one and blend out a little bit. So now I'm just going to grab up a different brush because I want just a really flat brush. The shimmers work the best with a flat brush or your finger, same as the duochrome. But I'm going to pick up some of the Jamaica Me Happy. So pretty. That was one dip. Gorgeous. Same thing for this side. These colors just flow so good together. Again, going back and just blending around the edges. So for the lower lash line, I'm going to go back into Daiquiri and I'm just going to blend that out on the lower lash line. And of course, you already know I'm going to go into coconut rum and I'm going to put that on the brow bone and a little bit of inner corner highlight. Ooh, girl, I love this white. It's a good one. It's a true white shimmer. And sometimes it's hard to get a true white shimmer. Sometimes they have a shift of a purple or a blue or a pink. And I'm like, I just want a true white shimmer. And this is it. This is the one. Of course, we're just going to go back and blend out the highlights. Make sure we ain't got no harsh lines. Super simple, but beautiful. And it matches the lip perfectly. And of course, I'm going to go in with the eyeliner. That's really going to make it pop. Actually, it really kind of blends in. I was hoping it showed up a little bit brighter. I mean, it matches perfectly, okay? This matches so well. I feel like with this look, we could all hop on the Barbie trend. Not what I was trying to do, but this is definitely a beautiful look. And of course, you already know I'm going to curl my lashes and apply some L'Oreal Voluminous Mascara. This is one of my favorites. I know I say it all the time, but it truly is. Okay, you guys, so this is the completed look. I love it. I think it looks so good. Let's run over the products really quick. So I'm going to be biased and say this is my favorite product out of the box, of course. Absolutely 10 out of 10. I love all the colors in here. The formula is amazing. I always love Rasha's formula. It is really my favorite thing about getting Slay Glam box is getting her palettes. Really nice brush set. I'm so happy that we got a brush set and I am happily going to add these to my collection because they really are soft and they did a great job. Haven't tried this out yet, but stay tuned. I'm going to be doing a nail tutorial for you guys so that way we can try it out. And of course, I'm going to be back to do more looks with my palette, so I will use this with my palette as well. And of course, 10 out of 10 for this. I absolutely love it. I love the big chunky diamond on the top and I love the formula. It is good. It feels nice and smooth on the lips, not sticky. It's not too thick. It's not too thin. It's a good formula. I like it. And I absolutely love this liner. It looks more like a pink than it does a purple in my opinion, but super cute. Absolutely love it. I love it as a lip liner, to be honest with you. And I'm going to be coming back and using these with my eyeshadow palette too because they match so good. 10 out of 10 this month. I am so happy with this box. Everything coordinates so well. Again, that's one of the things I love about Slay Glam. As always, girl, let me know what you think down in the comments. I love to hear from you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.